Are you looking for a quick and easy way to download Pinterest videos? In this video, I'll show you how to download any Pinterest video in a matter of minutes. Whether you want to save the video for later or share a nature video with a friend in this video, I will show you how to do it. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. First of all, let's open up the Pinterest website or app and then find the video that you want to download. For example, I'm going to select this one. So now what you want to do next is tap on these three dots and it will show you a couple of options. Simply tap on the copy link. Now you have successfully copied the link to this video to your clipboard. Once you copied the video link, exit Pinterest and open up any web browser that you like. I'm just going to open up the Chrome browser and then tap on the search bar up top and search for pinterestdowner.com. Once you are on this website, scroll down a little bit and tap and hold on where it says paste your links, and then simply paste in the link to that Pinterest video that we just copied. Once you paste in that video link, simply tap on the red download button over here and you will then be shown the video below. When you are on this page, simply tap on red download button, and now that the video has been downloaded to my phone. Subscribe for more videos like this, turn on notifications, and leave a like to help the channel out. Thank you for watching.